In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact OakNorth customer support through various channels such as phone, chat, and email. Whether you're an existing customer with an account-related query or just have a question about their services, knowing how to reach out to their support team efficiently is crucial. Let's start by navigating to the OakNorth Bank's official website. This will be your first step in accessing all of their contact resources. Open up your web browser and type in the URL oaknorth.co.uk in the address bar, then press enter. Once you land on OakNorth's homepage, you'll find that it offers a range of financial products and services. But what we're interested in today is their customer support feature. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page or possibly further down where you'll find the Contact Us link. Clicking on this will navigate you to a dedicated page meant for customer interactions and queries. Take a moment to let the page load and scroll down slowly, as there's plenty of information you might need when seeking customer support. As you scroll down, you'll notice a section labeled How to Get in Touch. This is where the bank has conveniently listed all the ways you can reach their customer service team. First up, you'll find their email address. This can be particularly helpful if you prefer to communicate in writing or if you have detailed questions that require comprehensive responses. Simply draft an email addressing your concerns and send it to the provided email address. If you prefer verbal communication, OakNorth also lists a contact number in this section. Picking up the phone and speaking directly to a representative can often lead to quicker resolutions, particularly for urgent matters. Be sure to note down the operating hours, as calling outside these times may result in having to leave a message or experiencing delays. Furthermore, for those who value traditional mail, OakNorth provides a physical mailing address on this page. While this method is slower, it's a suitable option for formal communications or if documentation needs to be sent. Additionally, there's a dedicated fraud hotline available. This is a vital resource for customers who suspect any fraudulent activity concerning their account. If you have even the slightest concern about fraud, use this number to report your issue immediately, ensuring your financial security. Remember that response times may vary depending on the method of contact you choose. Emails might take longer for responses compared to a quick phone call. However, OakNorth is dedicated to assisting their customers as promptly as possible, and that's how you contact OakNorth's customer support, ensuring you have all the necessary information to address any queries effectively.